Senior Counsel Ahmednasir Abdullahi has declared his intention to file a petition before the East African Court of Justice in response to the recent action by the Supreme Court barring him and his employees from making submissions before the Apex Court. The escalating conflict has drawn numerous reactions, with LSK President Eric Theuri condemning the Supreme Court's actions. Theuri has criticized the move, denouncing it as illegal and irregular. Paul Kirobi with more.
Prominent city lawyer Ahmednasir has found himself at the center of a heated battle between two giants, the Supreme Court of Kenya and the Executive, following yesterday's Supreme Court action barring Nasir from making any submissions. He has now decided to escalate the matter to a higher level, seeking justice. In a tweet on his official X account, Nasir, a vocal and prominent senior counsel, announced that he has instructed his lawyers to file a petition in the East African Court of Justice, domiciled in Arusha. This move is aimed at seeking legal redress against Kenya's Chief Justice Martha Koome. The decision to suspend the senior counsel has drawn criticism, with the Law Society of Kenya (LSK) insisting that the move is unconstitutional. Through LSK President Eric Theuri, LSK says that the court is violating the consumer's right by dictating who should appear before them. He emphasizes that the court has no legal right to bar an advocate duly authorized by the Law Society of Kenya. Amidst all these conflicts, which originated from President Ruto's persistent statement about corruption in the judiciary, Theuri states that the decision justifies the attacks on the judiciary. He argues that the move violates the principle of the right to be heard, a fundamental element of any fair decision. Meanwhile, the Law Society of Kenya says that it will not allow its statutory mandate to be encroached upon the court and will seek an immediate retraction and apology from the Supreme Court. The Law Society of Kenya finds itself in the midst of this conflict after recently defending the Supreme Court of Kenya against corruption allegations leveled at the institution. In a letter drafted by Registrar Letizia Wachira, the Supreme Court barred Ahmednasir and employees of his law firm from filing cases before it, citing what it termed as incessant attacks. The court accused the lawyer of conducting a campaign in the broadcast, print and social media, accusing it and its judges of corruption, incompetence and outright bribery. Paul Kirobi, TV47, Nairobi.